Welcome to Afterbricks, your one-stop smart platform for transforming the world of interiors. Let's face it, buying materials for interiors is not as easy as shopping for clothes or groceries. For most of us, it's all about that touch and feel experience. So, we are building a large material design library for interior designers and architects, enabling them to access and compare massive collection of SKUs across brands. Now, designers can instantly book any material sample virtually from any company just on click of a button, and same will arrive on their desk in a single box within 48 hours, and that too absolutely free. This is going to be a game changer for the industry. Much like travel aggregators like Skyscanner and Trivago have done in travel and Material Bank has done in sampling, we aim to do with design and materials. That's why we call it Afterbricks. It will completely change how designers search, sample, and specify materials today. For them, time is an overwhelming issue. They want to spend less time designing and less time with clients and least time in sourcing. 80% of design professionals prefer digital platforms for easy access and quick comparisons. 70% design firms say that the availability of samples influences their material choices directly, but today they have to spend 40% of their time sourcing materials and waiting for samples. All those are pieces have to be compressed. So we thought of building a meta search engine with a prime focus on material management, sampling, instant price comparison, availability, and much more for a given bill of materials. Platform also enables fast digital negotiations through reverse bidding by curated set of channel partners and brand franchises, and facilitates seamless sourcing by redirecting users to their showrooms and their e-portal, always keeping brands in the loop, not to miss the deal. This model is classified as multi-sided business model, where Afterbricks connects designers and other professionals with brands and their curated channel partners without facilitating the final sales itself. We have started to see the consumerization of B2B. Today, we always see the life of convenience. We can easily get an Uber, buy goods on Amazon, order food, etc. But in many cases, the B2B space is still backward and have a lot of friction. To cater this, now we are heavily investing in material samples available at the click of a button. Any material virtually from any company will be clickable and will arrive on the designer's desk in a single box within 48 hours. For designers in the industry who have been around for a while, convenience is nice to have. However, for younger generation, Gen Z is entering the workforce. It is a demand and an expectation. Giving industry the tools allows them to win businesses and grow their firms, and whether you are the one-man shop for residential or you are the biggest business on the commercial side, time is everything. And that goes back to ease and no friction. Afterbricks will always strive to build tools and technologies for designers, brands, and manufacturers, addressing key business issues of both demand and supply. So what are you waiting for? Let's partner and build the future of interior materials together.